how to add link on your edit profile settings on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add link on your edit profile settings on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go here to your profile icon, click on it, you will see edit profile, click on it, and here you will see add link, just click on it, and as you see you can choose add the external link and add Facebook link, and that's it, how to add link on your edit profile settings. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.